a little bit of tea. Today I'm gonna show you the 5 reasons why I love Canva and it's free. I'm Angélique Binet, founder of Social Media Love. I help solopreneurs, small businesses to share their message with the world using social media marketing. Are you in? You're gonna love Canva. It has all the social media images, formats, templates ready for you. First, you're gonna need to go to canva.com, and from there you can log in with your Facebook account. It's really easy. Beauty number 1 is that you can pick the templates you want. So look at those. You have those one plus more. So you can pick anything for social media posts on Twitter, Pinterest,
Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram, documents, blogging, marketing materials, even ads. So it's so rich. And then if you don't have anything that you like, you go to your use custom dimensions and you put exactly what you want in terms of height and width. From there, let's say we want to do a Facebook post. I'm just gonna go to Facebook post, and then Canva offers you a bunch of scenario and you pick the one you want. So for example, if I say I really like this one, this type of format, but I don't really want, exactly that. So this is beauty number 2. You can upload your own images or use Canva's images. Let's say I want a cat. So I'm going to say to Canva, hey, look, you have a search bar here. I want a cat photo. Let's see what's coming up. Here's my cat. I'm going to drag the cat, and the cat is right now there. Oh, maybe I want my own photo. So I'm going to go to Uploads, upload your own images on the green button. And here's my computer. I'm going to go and grab, for example, my wolf here. Open. And then it's uploading slowly there. You see the little wave that shows you that it's almost ready. And I'm going to drag it and replace my cat. You can double click on the image and place it where you want and then check it. You can use your brand colors. So for that, what you do is that, for example, I want to make sure that I love to bake is in my branded colors. So I'm going to say it's going to be my pink, for example, and then black and white. Those are my 3 branded colors. But let's say I want to make it, so let's do the black, boom. And then I want to make sure that I want today that it's blue. This word is in blue, the same blue as Facebook. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, let's go and check the Facebook blue. So I did a search, Facebook blue color code. This is this one. So you grab the code, copy, go back to Canva, and you say, I want this word to be in the Facebook blue. Click on colors, plus, and you remove this and you add your new code. And look at what's happening. This is exactly the same color, right? So you can add as many colors as you want. You can play it like that. It's really easy. Now let's say I want a text overlay. So let's say let's add a new page. I'm going to bring by my wolf. I'm going to make sure that it covers the full template for Facebook, because it's still a Facebook template that I'm using here. Double click and make it nicer. And I want to say smile. I'm going to grab a text tool. So you go to the left, text. You have 3 choices of size or even pre-made type of text. You can go and visit that. I'm going to use a big one, the big title. I'm going to say smile. And I want to make sure that it's huge. So I'm going to go to my size here and go to 120. And I don't want this font. I want another one. So I'm going to go click on this here. And then I'm going to use maybe Playfair. And then I'm going to extend to make sure that you can see it and it's properly made. And I want to make it pink, right? So this is my brand color. I change this and click on pink. You can use transparent images over images. You go to add a page, and let's say you remove photos, so you just delete, and then you have that white square. And I'm going to say, let's pretend that we're going to make a new logo, so a cat logo, because you have a cat business. So I'm gonna put the cat there. I'm gonna make it small so that it's not too visible, but it's still visible. And I'm gonna say to Canva, I want to download this photo out of Canva. It's number 3. And I want it transparent. Click here, download. Here's what's happening. So you always have a little quote, everything has its beauty, but not everyone sees it. That's so true. And I'm gonna say to Canva now that I want this photo to be over this one so that everybody see that it's my logo. So I'm gonna go and, so remember, I just downloaded that logo transparent image on my computer. I'm gonna now grab it from my computer, bring it back to my Canva. Let's go and see where is my little cat. It's right there. Open, and then look at this, what's happening. It's coming here. And what I'm gonna do once the photo, the transparent photo is here, I'm gonna drag it to this one. Isn't it awesome? So if you really enjoyed that video, make sure you leave me a comment, you share with your friends, you put some thumbs up, and I would love you to actually write me a message on my private message box on Facebook. And if you grab the m.me/socialmedialoveb, address URL, this is gonna bring you to my messenger, because this is gonna help me to tell you all the tips and tricks I share every day with some people like you. Until then, ciao, ciao.